Alright, everybody. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. Alright, anybody. So, today, we are going to be playing a short little remake of Doom. I'm very excited because I absolutely love this game, and, I'm honestly sorry if you cannot hear the sound to it. It's really good sound. I mean, did not mean to do that. Alright. Let's get in on Doom. By the way, there's no sound for some reason in this. I don't get, like, there's hardly any sound. I guess it's because it's just a port, so... Hold on, I can hopefully turn this on here. I can't. Okay, well, I'm sorry. I would have definitely turned this sound on. But yeah, today we're playing some Doom. It's a really nice remake. It's very smooth, polished. You can find this on Newgrounds, I think, unless it hasn't been taken off for some odd reason. And yeah, the game's pretty good. It's just Doom without the amazing music. In fact, I think I can change that. But I don't think you can. Message, endgame, sound volume. The music. Well, okay. Well, there's no music. So, yeah. And for a little Doom port, it's very nicely controlled. Like, a lot of people would, I know I'm doing the sin of Doom by standing still, but that's the only way I can get shots on these guys. But yeah, it's a very nice game, and, oops, I'm taking some damage. It's a very nice game, and, the controls aren't really the best, so I'm sorry if I accidentally shoot stuff. There we go. Oh my god, the music of the game is just in my head, and I probably don't want to play the music for the game, because it's probably still copyright struck, whatever, stricken, struck, I don't even know anymore. But anyway, yeah, so we're playing Doom. Alright, let's try to focus on the game. I'm stuck behind a chandelier. Why am I stuck behind? Not a chandelier, a candlestick. This is stupid. And the cool thing is I can play this with only one hand because it's just WASD space and R. So I could play this all in one hand. I don't know why it still uses mouse sensitivity. Yay! 75% of the kills. Items, secrets. Yay. I am now at the nuclear plant. But I can't make it to hell. I probably don't have enough time anyway, so yeah, this game's pretty small. It's fairly simple, but... Alright, I can't get up there for some reason. It's a little laggy, and I guess it's just... You know, they can't make it not laggy. I mean, the game is... like, was on Newgrounds, so I don't expect it to be, you know, 100% non-laggy. But I mean, it's pretty good. And one of the most interesting things about this game is that it was made by a top-down shooter, but it was meant to look first-person. I don't really know how to explain that. Like, it was built really well on a top-down shooter. Like, it's pretty cool, but it was built so well. And if I ever got the chance, I would love to play Doom 2016 for you, but I don't have that chance right now, so... Let's go beat some people. That sounds like fun. And if there's any secrets that I miss, I'm sorry. I didn't grow up playing this Doom. I just wanted to play it because the whole remake game looked fun, and I thought it'd be a nice little treat for all the veterans that watch my videos, in quotations, because I don't think anybody older than, well, how old I am actually watches my videos. So look, a secret. Yeah, I knew about that lever. It's not that secret. Plus, I could also hear the demons and the possessed soldiers and the imps and stuff behind the door. It'd be nice to have some of the music, but... I don't really know the whole relevance of that place, but it's here. It's just got hundreds and hundreds of layers of ammo, and I don't know if I'm supposed to be getting guns from this place or not. I haven't seen anything important, just ammo laying on the ground. Anyway, let's leave now to go finish our conquest of destruction in the best way possible. Oh, wait, this is where... I'm not supposed to be here, am I? I'm supposed to go the other way. I'm so dumb. It's pretty funny how dumb I am. Look, there's a possessed soldier. Or a shotgun guy. Is that a possessed soldier or a shotgun guy? I can't tell. I can't tell most of the time. Look, an imp. Oh, the chainsaw's out there. Maybe I can get it, if I can find a way out. Oh, there's some green goop that likes to hurt me. And... yeah, it's dark in here. Armor, yay. Some health too, that's great. Alright, let's flip on the lights. And we'll exit this bad boy. After I kill both these shotgun guys. Alright. So that'll have to be about it for this video. I just want to get a video quickly uploaded. So make sure to subscribe if you're watching this video, and I will see you later. Bye.